Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable overlay scroll bars in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll need to type in a special command to access Chrome's hidden settings. In the address bar, type chrome://flags and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. This command takes you to Chrome's experimental features page where you can customize various advanced settings that aren't available in the regular Chrome settings menu. After the flags page loads, you'll see a search bar at the very top of the page. This search function is incredibly useful because Chrome has hundreds of experimental flags and finding the one you need manually would take forever. Click on this search bar and type overlay scrollbar. As you type, Chrome will automatically filter the results to show only the flags that match your search term, making it much easier to locate exactly what you're looking for. Once the search results appear, you'll see the overlay scrollbar option displayed on your screen. Right beside this option, you'll notice a drop-down menu. This menu is what controls whether the overlay scrollbar feature is turned on or off. Go ahead and click on this drop-down menu to reveal your available options. You'll see choices like default, enabled, and disabled listed there. Now, depending on what you want to achieve, select either enabled or disabled from the drop-down. If you enable overlay scrollbars, your scrollbars will appear as thin, semi-transparent overlays that don't take up permanent space on the page. If you disable them, you'll get the traditional always visible scrollbars. Choose whichever option best suits your browsing preferences and the look you want for your Chrome browser. After you've made your selection, you'll notice a relaunch button appears at the bottom right corner of the Chrome window. This button is essential because Chrome needs to restart for your changes to take effect. Click on the relaunch button and Chrome will close and reopen automatically. Don't worry, Chrome will restore all your previously open tabs, so you won't lose any of your work or browsing sessions. And that's it, you've successfully enabled or disabled overlay scrollbars in Google Chrome. Your scrollbars will now appear according to the setting you chose. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.